Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the LOCKET app could not send code and what to do. So let's get started. So if your LOCKET app is could not sending you the code to log in or to sign in, then you have to do this step. So basically you have to open your LOCKET app. So when you will just open your LOCKET app, just click on sign in at here. Then here when you are using like email, click on use phone instead. So here you have to put the phone number, whichever phone number you have linked into your LOCKET app. Okay, and after that it will send you the OTP in your phone. So by this way you can just log in into your LOCKET app and it will be fixed. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.